So your Portuguese is now probably getting a lot more advanced, and you want to be able to agree or disagree on things that might be a little bit more complicated.
Politics, the weather.
Still pretty basic, but okay.
Religion.
Religion, So we need to be able to agree or disagree about whatever the other person has said. The literal way to say that you don't agree with somebody is...
Não concordo.
I don't agree.
Não concordo.
But if you're a little bit more open-minded and you do agree with something...
Concordo contigo.
You could just simply say the first word, concordo, I agree. Or you could elaborate and say, I agree with you.
Concordo contigo. Formally, concordo consigo.
Consigo. That's one of these cool things about Portuguese is that multiple words in English are combined to make one word in Portuguese. So with you, contigo, or with you, formally, consigo.
Consigo.
It's one word. It's amazing.
Another way of saying the exact same thing is to say, é verdade.
It's true.
It's true. É verdade.
É verdade.
But if you're like outraged because the person is saying something you totally disagree, or you actually know it's a lie, then you'll say, isso é mentira.
That is a lie.
Isso é mentira.
And if your opinion isn't that strong, then you can just simply say, não sei.
Não sei.
Não sei.
I don't know.
Concordo contigo.
É verdade. É verdade.
É verdade.
É verdade.
Isso é mentira.
Não sei. Não sei.
Não sei.
Não sei.
Não concordo.
It can be challenging to find movies or TV shows in Portuguese, especially when you're outside the country, but that doesn't need to slow you down. Next time you're binge watching a show in English, check to see if there are Portuguese subtitles that can be turned on. Of course, European Portuguese are ideal, but Brazilian Portuguese subtitles will be better than nothing. Using TV subtitles is an entertaining way to build Portuguese vocabulary passively, especially when you're not feeling motivated to study. You won't retain as much as when you're sitting down for a focused study session, but you'll often recognize words that are similar in your own language, and they will later pop into your mind when you're talking in Portuguese. If you're more tech savvy, you can even download the subtitles files separately online and open the subtitles in a text editing app to read through it like a script and capture the words that you want to remember later.